Welcome to this home tour. My name is Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. This week, I do have 4 brand new homes that are going to hit the market. Lots of homes are selling. I have so many transactions going on, so if you're looking to buy, now is the time. But today, this is a 3-bed, 2-bath, sun-kissed model in the Pine Ridge section. It has 2 cars and a golf cart garage, an expanded driveway, also has an enclosed lanai and a bird cage. You're going to want to check this one out if you're looking to move here. Again, I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here. But before we get started, 2 important things. Make sure you visit my website to check out where to search and how to search to find your home, and my address, my email address will always be up here. But also, we're going to cut away here. I want you to take a look at my book that I have available in print or for your Kindle on Amazon. It's an awesome resource for you if you want to buy or sell a home here in the Villages lifestyle. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Let's get to it. All right, we're just going to go on inside. Give a nice leaded glass door. And I'm going to take you on a look outside in a moment. I can't walk out there because Todd's doing the photos outside. So we're going to walk in. And take a look around. We have some LVP flooring. You can see this is, the SUNKISSED is very similar to the Amarillo model. And this one is mostly all, not necessarily all turnkey, but furnishings will remain. And we're in the Pine Ridge section. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath home. And again, we have got some LVP flooring here. And I mean, this is probably less than a half a mile from Walmart Family Market on that section by Colony Rec Center. Kitchen. This is electric. It has quartz countertops, and they were put in not too long ago. Hot water heater was installed last year. We have a little bit of a darker floor, and this is LVP also. And you have that raised island. A lot of people like this so they can hide things. And this home does have an interior laundry and a small pantry for those of you who need a little bit of extra space. All stainless steel appliances. We have tile backsplash. Double sink. You can see that. And there's a window outside of your sink. I know everyone likes to have that window right by the sink, and there it is. Now, don't forget, if you're looking for a pre-owned home, you must use MLS and VLS to ensure that you see all the properties available to you. I do have a video about it here, so you want to check that out. All right, we're going to go into the primary, which is here. This is the doorway into the laundry. Pantry. Look at that. You can keep a lot of food in there. Have carpet in the primary. Knockdown ceiling, no popcorn. This bright and airy, and this furniture remains. Now that snowbird season is coming, well, this is the primary bathroom. Snowbird season's coming. If you are looking for a home to rent, I do have a rental property, Clara's Cottage. It is available weekly or monthly. or actually you can rent it as little as 4 days, but I do have it available weekly. All right, I don't know where I left off. I was talking about my rental. My card filled up. All right. Let's see, there's separate commode there, shower. Okay, we'll take a look around. We've got, you know, dining room, open floor plan. Again, with this home, I see people move the sofa in different areas to open up this space. You can put the TV, so they have the TV there. You can put the TV up on the wall. So you have different options here. This is a split bedroom floor plan, and I'll have all the square footage, all the information about the roof, bond, CDD, all will be listed down below. You'll find that throughout the video. So this is bedroom, whatever you want to call it, 2 or 3. This is the bedroom behind. Now there are a few things that will not remain. This roll top desk, the safe, and I'll have those listed, the items that are not conveying with the sale of the property. Carpet in the bedrooms. There is a linen closet, and this is pretty standard, and you do have your pocket door here to separate the two. Bathroom. And of course, if you want to see the home, you just give us a call. My number is up above. I'm working on this listing with my work partner, Tina Verderosa. So you can call any of us to schedule a showing, or if you're working with a realtor here in the community, absolutely give them a call. We want to bring our buyer an offer as quickly as possible. And this room does have a closet. Try not to make you sick and move too fast. Okay, now I'm going to take you out into the laundry and the garage. Interior laundry. We relocated a few things for the showing, so I apologize, but gentlemen, luck. And ladies, you might want a big garage too. We do have 2-car with a golf cart garage. And you have plenty of storage. You see they have these storage racks in between here. So you'll fit 2 cars, a golf cart, you got your bikes, your motorcycle, maybe even a small boat. And remember, all homes here do have irrigation. And your irrigation and drinking water are separate meter. All right. Living in the kitchen. I'm going to take you outside here. And if you have any questions, please make some comments in the notes below. I know there might be some things that I'm not answering. Hopefully I'm getting to everything, but I'm here to answer any questions you have. So now this is a glassed-in lanai. They did this after they made the purchase. And this lanai furniture stays. This room is not under air, but it is screened, so you can open up the windows, and they do go floor to ceiling. And oops, locked. Okay, and then you have your bird cage, so additional outdoor space. Okay, well, And they did a nice job with making this backyard private. And wait till you see the landscaping out front. It's really pretty. And we have an expanded driveway. So when this, I don't know if you'll be able to see, when they bought the home, it only had a small, and the sun's really bright here, so I apologize if you can't see it. The driveway only came here to get into that golf cart garage, but they actually did expand it. So you fit. I've seen 2 SUVs in this driveway. You probably could fit 3, but here's a view from the outside. And I got to move in. I took my shoes off, and the road's a little hot here. But you can see they spent money on this landscaping. House shows really beautiful, great curb appeal. All of this for only $339,000. All right, there you have it. All right, I hope you enjoyed that home tour, and if you're ready to make them an offer they can't refuse, you know to call me. I'm Robyn Cavallaro, I'm your realtor in Florida. All right, until next time, I'll see you. All right, here we go.
I love it. We just bought a house. Lucky Robyn.
Who helped you?
Robyn.
And what do you think of Robyn?
I love Robyn.
Do you hear that, people?
I love her.
They love
Yes,
Robyn.
We bought a house. We love Robyn.
Now, who
Thank
should
you,
they
Robyn.
use if they want to buy a house here in the Villages? Who should they use, Shayna?
They should use Robyn because she's a turbo supercharged sledgehammer realtor. Hello.
All right, you heard
Love
it here
Robyn.
first. Wait, bye.
Bye.